DIY woodworking plans at myoutdoorplans.com. Hey, Avidu here from myoutdoorplans.com, and today I'm excited to share a brand new project with you. If you're looking to add a modern and functional outdoor structure to your backyard, this 12 by 20 pavilion might be the perfect project. With its clean lines, decorative vertical slat accents, and spacious layout, this pavilion creates a comfortable shaded area that's ideal for relaxing, outdoor dining, or entertaining guests. The open design keeps the space airy while the roof provides reliable protection from sun and light rain. The pavilion features sturdy post and beam construction paired with stylish slatted side sections that add a modern architectural look. These elements bring character to the structure while still maintaining the open feel that makes a pavilion so enjoyable. With its generous 12 by 20 footprint, there is plenty of space underneath for patio furniture, a grill station, or even a full outdoor lounge setup. The plans include detailed step-by-step diagrams, exact measurements, a full cut list, and a complete shopping list to make the building process straightforward. If you enjoy woodworking and DIY outdoor projects, this pavilion is a rewarding build that will transform your backyard into a beautiful outdoor living space. See step-by-step tutorial with full cut and shopping lists at myoutdoorplans.com.